Hi! Today's unboxing topic is MMAGPY jewelry packaging, a new but already popular brand from China. Let's see what we have today. This is a black shipping box with logo on top and at the bottom of it. It is made of craft paper with black color printing. Inside the box is pink color with a slogan in the middle of the lid. Inside the box, there are 3 packaging items wrapped in bubble covers. When I take a closer look at the bubbles, the heart-shaped bubbles really surprised me because I can't believe the packaging designers will even work on such a small detail. Really appreciate. When I move the covers aside, I find 2 paper boxes and 2 paper bags. The box cover is very simple with just a logo printed on top of it. Inside it's a magnetic paper box. This collection is called Sailor Moon Collection, a Japanese cartoon more than 20 years ago but very popular among teenagers at that time. So you can find a cartoon character in the middle of the box and go full pattern all over the background. Inside the box, we can find a sheet of stickers, a big envelope containing with 2 postcards, and a small envelope containing with service cards inside. Obviously, all these items are custom made for this collection. Under all these items is a pink envelope with a jewelry cleaning cloth inside. The cloth is also pink colored, made of microfiber material but without any printing on it. What I would highly recommend for you is this little ring-size paper card here. It can help me to figure out my fingers in just a few seconds. You know, when I order rings online, I always get confused about the right size for my finger. Then I started finding rulers, calculating, and probably I will forget it very soon. So I will be very happy to keep it in my drawer. That's why I think it's a great marketing tool for you. After taking out so many items, finally I got my earrings in this pink, soft and shaggy jewelry bag. Do you like the above packaging ideas but wondering which items is more suitable for your business? Our budget time may help you. First of all, let's talk about shipping box. E-commerce business relies a lot on packaging to earn consumers' favor. A well-designed mailer box can be a good marketing tool, and at the same time, it won't cost too much because when we decide to use it, we can save the cost for a blank corrugated box. When the quantity is small, for example, starting from MOQ 1,000 pieces, custom shipping box can be as expensive as $2 to $3. But when the quantity becomes larger, cost will decrease a lot, to about 50 cents to $1, depends on the material, thickness, and size. Then we move on to magnetic paper box. It is one of the most deserving packaging items that I would highly suggest to impress consumers and can do a beautiful design on it. A box of same material, size, and inner trays like this one is between $1.2 to $3. MOQ is 500 pieces. Drawstring pouch and cleaning cloth is now a common standard for e-commerce jewelry packaging. Starting from MOQ 100 pieces, price goes down from $1 to 40 cents. Special items recommend for today is ring size tag. Made of 1000 GSM thickness paper can avoid blending. It is useful in getting finger size and shows how your brain cares for detail. Approximate price will be around 5 cents for 10,000 pieces and 20 cents for MOQ 1,000 pieces. Now you know what you can do within your budget. Any question? Leave comment at info@deepkinglabels.com. I'm Rachel, your reliable packaging guy. See you next time!